At Skyeye UAV, we focus on delivering high-performance, reliable, and versatile UAV solutions for industrial and commercial applications. Founded by a team of experienced engineers and drone enthusiasts, we specialize in the design of fixed-wing drones, VTOL drones, and customized UAV solutions. We offer a full range of UAV solutions. Whether you need a drone system for a specific mission or a custom drone airframe, our expertise can meet your requirements. From structural molding to precision assembly, every airframe is completed under a strict quality control system. We use the highest quality materials and the latest aerospace manufacturing technologies to ensure durability, reliability, and outstanding performance even under the most demanding conditions. Each platform is tested to meet real-world operational requirements. Skyeye UAV platforms are widely used in surveying, aerial mapping, inspection, agriculture, and environmental monitoring. Choosing Skyeye drones means obtaining the most professional drone airframes and systems.